Hi, I'm Michael Weisner. I'm an animator, illustrator, and graphic designer. And today, I'm going to show you how to draw a cherry blossom in black and white. Let's get started. Alright guys, let's begin drawing out our cherry blossom in black and white. To start with, I'm going to rough out my cherry blossom body. So, put my trunks here. Once I have that, I'm going to start darkening out. All right, now we have that. Now we can start drawing out our cherry blossom leaves. To begin with, you want to go ahead and do some light outlining. Draw a couple petals coming off, like so. Coming off of it here. And then we're going to add some brown. There you have it. And that's how you draw a cherry blossom in black and white. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.